Okay, and then gaps and future positions. So where should you be? Where do you want to go? No marriage to a person will help you to understand yourself. The marriage will bring you your issues to the forefront. There are some things you know, there are some things he knows, but not everyone is patient with what you don't know. So for example, if you are 30 some years old, a little before 40, you shouldn't still be struggling in finances. Or at least if you are working on finances, you still should not be struggling with job. That somewhere you need to, what our parents used to say, you need to get somewhere and settle down, right? You shouldn't be moving from job to job to job, because some people are not going to be patient with you in that area, because you are deliberately positioning yourself in a state of losing. And when you hook up with somebody who is a winner, it's hard for that person to understand you wanting to lose. So not everyone is patient with what you don't know. That means you need to tap into what your gaps are and get somewhere and settle down. What are your plans? What is your vision? What is your purpose? To where do you want to take yourself? So you should always have some 5 year, 7 year, 10 year, 15, 20 year plan. And what happens is people don't do that because they want to live for the day. But usually the people who live for the day, they tend to live the longest, but they don't have anything to um, to show as accomplishment, and they end up having to come and live with you in their later lives. It would have been a lot better for them to give their 20s, their 30s, and their 40s at least to you know personal development, professional development, so they won't have to go and live with somebody in their 50s and 60s and 70s and 80s, 90s, and shoots, if they live all the way to their hundreds, you have to take care of them. His plans cannot be your plans, even if you are pursuing compatibility or should be compatible. You still, that person that you want to marry, that person is responsible for ensuring that they are compatible within their own lives. So are you. And then when you come together, there is some level of compatibility. But you shouldn't look for that person to be the light in your situation. So discovery of you must begin with you.